Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday. Wednesday, July the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and a 4 stars Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's war day number 882. 882 days ago, 82 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and the world has been changed since. Yes. All right, let me continue. Enough about the war. This will be number 8958. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Should be a 3 stars. Yeah, 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is it a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about let me see which number I can pick. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. And now. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 there. I'm thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. Two, 8. No 2. 2. I'm thinking. Need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in last row, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Then, let me see. Need a 1 here. Alright. Need an 8 here. Well, need 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the third one, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. Oh, 2, 2, 2, no 2 here, okay. Need 7 here. 5, 5. Need 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. Alright. Need a 9. Yeah. We have a pair. The 6 and a 9 in this column. The 6 and a 9 in the the 6 and a 9 in the last column. 6 and a 9 in the column next. So that column. The only 2 places left for the 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. 5, 5. 5, 5. Need an 8, 8, 8, and I need a 2. 2, 2. Okay. So 2, 5, 8 are missing here. That means 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me mark those. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Alright, and now need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this middle row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3, 3. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 5 and the 8 are left. We have a 5 in the middle row, no. Sorry, 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 1 and 9. 2 numbers, missing numbers. In this row, for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Need a 5. Need a 2 also. 2, 2. 1, 2, need a 3, need a 4, need a 9. Here, 1, 2, 3, need a 4, need a 6. Well, in this row we need a 6. Third row. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. So the only place left with the 6 in this third row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need 2 here. I need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in the third column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the second row for number 6. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 1, 4, 9. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. 4, 4. Need a 3. 3 here, 3 there. Yeah. In this row, we need a 3. Here can be 3, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 in this row should be there. 3, 3. 9 and the 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 4, it should be there. Then the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Then we give this a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. Well, we saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.